Assalamu alaikum dear student. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEPS Home School. I am Hossain, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Student, today our topic is exercise 1.3 word problem norm 8 and 9, which is taken from your book page number 20. Lecture norm 5, H0 norm 4. At first, I will solve question number 9. You see the question. The length of an iron sheet and a copper sheet is 672 cm and 960 cm respectively. What will be the length of the highest pieces of equal size cut from the two sheets? That means length of iron sheet is 672 cm and the length of copper sheet is 960 cm. Now question, what will be the length of the highest pieces of equal size cut from the two sheets? And the second step, determine the number of pieces of sheets. That means how many number of the iron sheet and how many number of copper sheet. The first step, what will be the length of the highest pieces of equal size? Okay, right here. Write the A shape of 672 and 960 will be the required length of highest piece. Now let us determine a shape of 672 and 960. We will solve the A shape using the division process. Okay, because these two numbers are big numbers, so division process is more easy than another process. You can also solve with the help of prime factorization process. But as here the digits are so larger, so this is very easy for you if you solve with the help of division process. Now divide one time and 672. Now subtract, you get 8, 6, 8, and you have 1, 7, 2. Again divide 672 by 288. Okay student, look, can we divide this by how many times? 2 times. 8 to the 16 and you have 1. 8 to the 16 plus 1. 8 to the 16 and you have 1. 8 to the 16 plus 1, 17, and you have 1. 2 to the 4 and 1, 5. Now subtract 6, 8, 17 minus 7 is equal 9. Now again divide 288 by 96. Look, it goes 3 times. Then you got, okay. Therefore, the A shape of 672 and 960 centimeter is 96. Okay, right. Therefore, the HCF of 672 and 960 is 96. Now our question is what will be the length of the highest pieces of equal size cut from the two sheets? Therefore, the required length of cutting piece is 96 centimeter. This is the solution for the first step. Now I will solve the second step of the question. Second step of the question is determine the number of pieces of sheets. That means how many number of iron sheet do you need and how many number of copper sheet do you need. Okay, now write number of iron sheet look, number of iron sheet 672 by 96. Okay, you divide, then you get 7. And number of copper sheet number of copper sheet 960 by 96. This is equal 10. Okay, student. Now we have got the two answers here. The required length of the cutting pieces is 96 centimeter and the number of iron sheet is 7 pieces and the number of copper sheet is 10 pieces. Okay, I hope you understood. Now I will solve question number 8. At first read the questions. Which smallest number will have 15, 20, 25, 31 and 43 as remainder respectively when divided by 20, 25, 30, 36 and 48? Which smallest number will have 15, 20, 25, 31 and 43 as remainder? This is the remainder and when divided by. That means 20, 25, 30, 36 and 48 are divisor. These are the divisors and these are the remainder. So at first we will find out the difference between divisor and remainder. Okay, right. A difference between divisors and remainder. Look, this is the first divisor 20 minus and this is the second remainder. First, you see this is the first divisor and this is the first remainder. So subtract 15 from 20, 15 from 20, then you get here 5. Similarly, 25 minus 20, then you get 5. Then 30 minus 25 equals 5. Then 36 minus 31 equal 5. Then 48 minus 43 equals 5. Okay, look here. 20 minus 15, this is equal 5. Similarly, 25 minus 20 equal 5. And 30 minus 25 equal 5. Then 36 minus 31 equal 5. 48 minus 43 equal 5. This is the difference between divisor and remainder. We look here, in every case 5 is the remainder. Okay, student, right here we observe that in every case 5 is the remaining. We observe that in every case 5 is the remaining. Okay. Now you see 20, 25, 30, 36 and 48, these are the divisor. So at first we have to determine the LCM of the divisors. Okay. Then if we subtract 5 from this divisor, then we get the smallest number. Okay. So right, let us find the LCM of 20, 25, 30, 36 and 48. Right here now 20, 25, 30, 36, 48. At first we have to select here 2. Look, 1 and 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 numbers are divisible by 2. So we have select here 2. Then you get 10, 25, 15, 18, 24. Then again select here 2. Then you get 5, 25 remaining same, 15, 9, then 12. Now we have to select here 3. 5 remaining same, 25 remaining same, divide 15 by 3, then you get 5, similarly 3, then we get 4. Now look, 5, 25, 5. These 3 numbers are divisible by 5. So again select now 5. 5 ones are 5, 5, 1, 3, then 4. Okay, student? This is our LCM. Now write LCM 2, 2, then 3, then 5, then again 5, then 3, then 4. If you calculate this, then you get 3600. Okay, but our question is, which is smallest number? So write the required smallest number will be minus 5. Then you get 3595. Student, therefore you have got the required smallest number is 3595. Okay. I hope you understood today's topic, and you have to keep practicing at your home. Student, And now I will talk with you about your HW topic. Look, your HW number is 4. You see, HW number is 4. Exercise 1.3, exercise 1.3, page 20. Okay, you see the question. What is the least number of 4 digits which is divided by 12, 15, 20 and 35? Okay, student, and this answer is answer 1260. Okay. Okay, student, you follow the class and do the HW. Okay, student, no more today. You have to keep practicing at home. Stay safe, stay well. See you again.